Welcome back, content creators. Are you struggling to bring fresh ideas to your content? Look no further because we have an amazing tool for you. In today's video, we will be introducing you to Texta AI, the ultimate tool that will revolutionize your content creation process. Let's get started. Texta AI is the revolutionary AI copywriter that's about to transform your content creation game. With Texta AI, you no longer have to struggle to come up with captivating ideas, catchy headlines, or compelling stories. By simply inputting a few keywords or a brief description of your desired content, Texta AI will use its advanced algorithms to provide you with a plethora of creative suggestions and ideas. The user-friendly interface of Texta AI allows you to seamlessly navigate through its various features, whether you need assistance with blog posts, social media content, or video scripts. Texta AI has got you covered. Its powerful artificial intelligence capabilities ensure that the content generated is not only creative but also tailored to your target audience. Texta AI currently supports over 10 languages, and new languages are constantly being added. This ensures that no matter where your target audience is, you can create content that resonates with them in their native language. Say goodbye to language barriers and embrace global accessibility with Texta AI. Social media advertising is a powerful tool for reaching your target audience, but crafting persuasive ad copy can be challenging. Texta AI simplifies this task by generating compelling ad copy that grabs attention, drives engagement, and ultimately converts viewers into customers. Level up your advertising game with Texta AI. Texta AI has got your back with its feature to generate value propositions tailored to your niche and suggest domain names that align with your brand. Texta AI helps startups stand out, create a strong online presence, and attract potential customers. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to mundane content creation and embrace the future of content generation with Texta AI today. And subscribe to Avi for the latest AI tools for your business growth.